what to do today. What was that? Was that my stomach? Am I hungry? Gosh, I must be hungry. I better go get something to eat.